As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So we're comparing the Master Cook 3-burner grill and the Cuisinart Petit Gourmet, huh? Let's dive in.
Yeah! Okay, first thing I notice, the Master Cook is way bigger. It's got a 472 square inch cooking area compared to Cuisinart's tiny 150 square inches.
True, if you're grilling for a crowd, the Master Cook is the obvious choice, and it's got 30,000 BTUs of heat output versus the Cuisinart's 5,500. Big difference.
Definitely a power difference, but the Cuisinart is all about portability. It only weighs 17 pounds, and the Master Cook is like almost 47 pounds. Plus, the Cuisinart has folding legs and a carry handle.
Good point. If you're taking a grill, camping, or tailgating, the Cuisinart is the winner. It's made for that. What about the burners, though? The Master Cook has 3 stainless steel burners, promising even heat.
The Cuisinart only has one burner, but the porcelain enameled grate is supposed to help with even heat distribution. Honestly, I'd be a little worried about hotspots with just one burner, especially if you're trying to cook a bunch of different things at once.
Yeah, agreed. The Master Cook also has those foldable side shelves, which are super handy for prep space.
True, but the Cuisinart is designed to be used on a tabletop, so you'd presumably already have a surface nearby. Also, it has a spill-resistant drip tray, which is pretty neat for easy cleanup.
Both have piezo ignition, which is nice for quick starts. The Master Cook has a built-in thermometer, which I find really useful for roasting.
Okay, so the Master Cook is bigger, more powerful, and has more features. But the Cuisinart is super portable and easier to clean. It really depends on what you need it for, and honestly, how much space you have to store it.
And price. The Cuisinart is usually cheaper, right?
Yep, significantly. So for small spaces, portability, and budget friendliness, Cuisinart wins. For larger gatherings and more power, Master Cook. I think that sums it up.
Agreed. Grill on. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.